Hello, everyone. Coach Brian again, and I want to talk about change today because all of us have something we'd like to change, whether it's something big or something small. Maybe it's something God's calling you to do. But the interesting thing is, even though we all have some things we want to change, how do we actually change our thinking, our habits, actions that we're taking? So I'm going to start on that today. So there's lots of things that you can think of that you've wanted to change and probably never changed. Could be something at home or working out or reading the Bible or praying more. And there's other things that you've wanted to change and then you did change. So what's the difference between wanting to do it or even feeling like God wanting you to do it and actually doing it? So there's a couple components that happen within you that determine if you're going to make the change. A scripture, which is when Jesus said, what's the greatest commandment in all of creation? It's love the Lord your God with all your heart, soul, mind, and strength. And ultimately that means your logic, your will, and your emotions. And your logic, will, and emotions, the core of who you are, helps determine what you're going to do. So if you get to a point with something where it makes sense, I need to do this, or I feel God's calling me to do it, I want to, I'm excited about it, or I feel pushed to do it. Emotion has a big impact on getting to the place of making change. And then your will, a commitment. Your will is even deeper than your logic and emotion because it is your push. It's the thing you said, regardless, I'm standing on this. When those three things, there's three things, they come together, then you're ready to make a decision. The decision then has to be, I'm going to do this or I'm not going to do it. But if you're going to do something and make a change, it's commitment. Until you get to the place to make a full commitment and say, here's what I'm absolutely going to do, you're not committed. And so what helps you get there? There's lots of things that can do it. People around you, learning more about the situation, praying, God leading you there. But until those three things get into alignment where you say, I'm ready to do this, I'm going to make a commitment, change won't happen. So soon, the next time, we're going to talk about what happens once you make the commitment. How do you make the change? Let's see what you're committed to. Think about that this week. Talk to you soon.